This is a parrot's nest up in the tree. It's a palm tree next to the Casa Blanca. I'm wondering if the parrots are going to come out, but if they don't, then that's fine. They were flying around. I have another video that they also are in, but it's a little wobbly. I just have many pictures that I can show you of the parrots, but I didn't have much luck in the videos. But anyway, here's the parrot's nest that we found in Puerto Rico. The last day that we're staying at the oh, look, there were parrots. I'm not sure if you saw that, but there were 2 parrots coming into the tree. You may be able to see them wobbling around in the back of the nest. Maybe they'll poke their head out. I'm not really sure. But there were 2 parrots, and I think another type of bird. There's the parrot. It is poking its head out of the nest. And so anyway, I'm hoping that you're enjoying this video watching this parrot that we saw in Puerto Rico, in San Juan. And I'll just keep the video on so you can see it for a little while. There's also another type of bird up in that tree. I'm not sure what type, but it's black. You may see the blackbird in a minute, or you may be seeing it right now. Yeah, it's up to the left. But anyway, you can see the parrot stilly, and I think you'll like this video. We found this nest by following the bird when it was bringing stuff back, like materials for their nest. There's also the green coconuts up there too. You can tell it's a palm tree that way. Okay, well I think that the parrots are done, so I'm going to turn the video off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye.